So this week there was an awful parade in Belgium where there was just flat out anti-Semitism. Hasidic men with bags of money and rats. I posted an article about this on our Facebook page and we got tagged onto an anti-Semitic page, and suddenly all sorts of trolls and anti-Semites from around the world started pouring onto our page. And what I couldn't get over was it was every type and every stripe, every political orientation, every race, every religion, every side has a reason and a way that they hate Jews if they're an anti-Semite. And I was thinking about how disunified our people are in this time of year, now that Purim is coming, Rosh Chodesh Adar. And it's one of the complaints that Haman, who was one of the greatest anti-Semites, said to Achashverosh, that we're a scattered people, that we're not just spread all over the world, but that we're also scattered. And people have said this many times before, that this refers to our disunity. And of course, the answer to this that Esther does to save the Jewish people is that she gathers them together to unify, to fast, to pray. And this got me thinking that this is what we need to do now more than ever. We need to stop blaming the other political side for having the bigger anti-Semites, because both sides have them and both sides can justify it. And literally an anti-Semite can look like anything and be from anywhere and be anyone. And they're all against us. And now it's time that we have to come together. And when we unite as a people, that's when Hashem comes to our rescue. And this is what we need to focus on now.